Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at a PC that I have personally built, which has been inspired by TechYesCity, Christopher Yee, Zach's Tex Turf and Toasty Bros, because I'm heavily inspired by what they do. They basically take old pieces of junk which people wouldn't normally buy and turn them into gold, and I'm really interested in that type of thing. So breaking away from what I normally do, the more serious stuff, I wanted to give this a try. I wanted to take £300 or 300 US dollars and try and get the best bang for my buck PC with a mixture of new and old parts and try and build an Apex Legends budget PC. Okay, so before we take a look at what went into this PC, I would like to extend a massive thanks to PC Building Lanarkshire to make this video possible today. So thank you very much. If you want to go over and see exactly what they do, check out the link in the description below. Okay, so let's get cracking on. So the main part of this PC is obviously the CPU, which is the 200GE. 2 cores, 4 threads running at 3.2 GHz. Most titles of today, the all demand 4 cores, and this is exactly what you need. So for under £60 and under $60, you really can't go wrong. Okay, so moving on to the motherboard, we have the MSI A320M VH+. It's perfect for upgradability, but at the moment it doesn't support overclocking, which is absolutely fine. It's the perfect way to get onto the AM4 motherboard, especially at being under £50 or 50 US dollars. So this was a bargain that could not be missed. Okay, up next is the RAM, which I got for an absolute steal. I got 16 gigabytes over 4 sticks of RAM memory, which runs at 2400 megahertz, which is HyperX Fury. Obviously this is the set that I've got like in my hands, the other one's inside the PC, but for £50 for 16 gigabytes of HyperX memory is an absolute bargain. Okay, so moving on to the SSD, I chose the Kingston A200 for 120 gigabyte SSD, sitting at around about the £18 or the $22 mark. It's a no-brainer. Okay, so for the things that are already inside the PC, which I don't have a box to or whatever, I chose a Integrator 750 watt power supply, which I got off Facebook Marketplace for £20. And I also got off the same seller a Western Digital Green Caviar, I think that's how you say it, Green Caviar 1 terabyte hard drive for £15. Okay, so moving on to the graphics card, I wanted something that was very powerful and to get the GeForce experience to be able to record on the fly, and wanted something that would be able to hit the 1080p 60 frames per second mark. So I chose none other than the GTX 660 Ti. I have overclocked it and I'm getting beautiful figures from it, and I also wanted it to look good, and the Palette version looks absolutely sweet. Okay, so the last of the things that are actually internal inside the case are the Rgb fans. Altogether for 2 fans and its controller came to just under 25 UK pounds, which is an absolute steal, and they don't look half bad either. Okay, so last but not least is the case. We went for the First Player Rainbow R3 Mini Edition. This is a beautiful case and it is a fantastic steal at under 30 UK pounds. Obviously you will be catching a review on the channel later of this case to see exactly how I feel about it, how this build went inside this case, as well as all the other parts featured in this video. So let's crack on and see the performance of this little beast, shall we?
Looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves, and there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control when we feel like the world is against us. We're trying to find ourselves without the defining words. We can no longer hold on to what only makes us hurt. We cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp.
over there.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Great. Already inside the ring. Setting up a... Get ready, it's zipline time.
So as you can see, we built an absolutely epic PC for under the $300 or £300 mark, which has got loads of possible upgrades that can be made to it. So if you would like to go out and buy this, all the links will be in the description below. I have to say a massive thank you once again to PC Building Lanarkshire for helping making this video possible today. Thank you very much. So if you'd like this video, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. So until then, I've been your host Jezy. Take care. Bye for now.